We've got mail. The day after Christmas, Sand and Fog had a 30% off sale. As I have had my package for about 3 weeks now, and I am just now being able to sit down and go through everything that I got. So guys, I thought that it would be fitting for us to open the package up together and go from there, guys. There's nothing formal about this. We're just going to open it up. And I really forgot what I got. But guys, my Sand and Fog collection is bananas. So guys, if you are interested in this video, stick around, see what I got. Let's go ahead and get into it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Shalita Nicole and I'm just being me. Before we get started, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up. Alright y'all, let's go ahead and get into it. Y'all ready? Okay, so first things first, let's open up. Hold on, let me get me a little swig of water. Yes, I am on my bed. I am nice and comfortable. We are all family, right? Okay, amen. So let's open up this package. Okay, I have something to open up my box. After we finish going through these scents, guys, I'm going to take you guys in my fragrance room and let you see what I have before I add these to the collection. This is just what I purchased on the day after Christmas, but still I have others. I got a lot. Okay, let's see. I bought 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I bought 8 perfume oils. They come boxed like this. I have 1, 2. I only have 2 of these. So this is how they came. So let's open up this first box and see what we got going on. It's just been sitting. It's just been sitting and chilling, waiting on me. And I was going to dive into it and just put them up. But I was like, nah, this would be fun for us to open up together. Okay, so it's 4 per box. So that's how they came. Let's see what we got going on. Lemon sugar. Lemon sugar. Let's open her up. Either we get this review now or don't get this review at all. So let's go. Lemon sugar. The fragrance notes are lemon, bergamot, freesia, vanilla, and sugar. This is our first one, guys. Lemon sugar. And let's see what we got going on. Oh, she smells good. Oh, she has freesia in her. I already know what I'm going to pair her with. Lemon sugar. Fragrance notes, lemon, bergamot, freesia, vanilla, and sugar. Lemon sugar smells delicious. Lemon sugar smells good. Okay. Pineapple sugar. Did I have a sweet tooth or something ordering these things? Lemon sugar, pineapple sugar. Oh boy. Y'all, I love to smell good. Y'all know that. Pineapple sugar. The fragrance notes of lemon. What? Lemon, pineapple, coconut, vanilla, and sugar. Pineapple sugar. Let's see. Oh, this smells so good. y'all. Oh, that smells very exotic. Okay. Next we have Upper East Side. What made me choose that? Upper East Side. Okay, so I got a lot of lemon going on. So Upper East Side, the fragrance notes are hibiscus. Hibiscus. I never can say that word. Hibiscus. I think that's it. Hibiscus, lemon, rose, lotus, and musk. I'm still on the pineapple. Okay, let's see what we got going on here. That smells very rosy more than anything. It smells straight. It smells very familiar. White pear. Ooh. White pear sounds kind of frisky, don't it? White pear. So, ooh. Our fragrance notes are pear, blackberry, jasmine, gardenia, and ambrette. See what this smells like. Oh my goodness. White pear smells amazing. What they say? What? Did I just really do that? I did. So our second box. Oh my God, that white pear is amazing. Okay, I got strawberry shake. Out of all of these, white pear is number one so far. Let's see. Let's see what strawberry shake is about. She smells nice and creamy and strawberry. The fragrance notes are strawberry, whipped cream, which I said it smelled a little whippy, a little creamy. Strawberry, whipped cream, orange blossom, and vanilla. Okay, a lot of their scents has vanilla in it. White pear. White pear is my favorite thus far. White pear. I'm gonna say, okay, what's this? Innocence. I've heard about Innocence. One fragrance that I did get as a gift was the Marshmallow Skies, but I got the mini version. I wouldn't mind getting that in the big version. Okay, Innocence. Seem like it might smell a little innocent. Fragrance notes are almond, cinnamon, vanilla, tonka, and musk. And I feel like I know what I'm gonna pair this with. I feel like I would actually pair this with Good Girl without even thinking about it. It smells good. That white pear is the winner with white peach. Let's see what we got going on right here. So our fragrance notes are bergamot, peach, orange, blossom, and vanilla. Oh, that smells good. That smells clean. The whites smell clean. That smells good. I like the way that smells. We got one more. White palm. I tell you, between the sugar and the white, baby, I was on it, wasn't I? She looked like she smelled good. Let me find out this is my favorite. She smells like clean, fresh. It's like not absolutely amazing, but okay. So I have opened up my items, guys. White palm. I keep forgetting to read my stuff. Okay, the fragrance notes are lemon, bergamot, jasmine, and sandalwood. Okay, so I have opened up my items. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take you guys in here and take you to my sand and fog collection that I have thus far. I'm going to leave these in here and I'm going to add them a little later. This is my collection thus far. This is my collection so far. As you can see, I have quite a few of the sand and fog fragrances, and I use each and every one of them. What I'm going to do is add my other things. I have to straighten up my fragrance little thingamabob. But yeah, those are my sand and fog. I have to add the others, and I'm going to get my whole collection together and share with you guys. So until next time, guys, I'm going to go ahead and leave. Bye.